Lately, I have been trying to do something which goes against my own nature, but I'm still trying to do it. I'll tell you what. It is the art of not reacting. Sometimes we react to things around us, to the experiences that we are projected towards, and we react in certain ways that take up so much of our energy and so much of our mental space that for the whole day we are not left with any energy to focus on any of our work. So, what I'm trying to do recently is if someone around me pulls a chair screechingly, I do not say anything to them. I simply observe, sit back, and relax myself. I do not try to, react anything to things which bother me sometimes. And it is helping me. Also, if someone comes up to me and complains and tells me that things are not happening according to them, I do not try to fix their behavior at once or offer them solutions which can help them in the long run. I do not try to do that. I simply make them comforting. I offer them my words which can help them relax in the moment, and I try not to react energetically because sometimes people do not need that. They just want a listening ear which can make them comfortable enough. Also, if someone comes up to me and they get angry at me for no particular reason or someone shouts at me, I try to remain my calm and I try not to react. And this helps me because it saves me so much of my energy. It saves so much of my mental space that I sometimes give to things which do not even matter in this moment, and they take up so much of my precious life inside me. And once when I tried doing this, I realized that we cannot really control to the experiences that we are projected towards daily in our lives, but what we can actually control is our response. And my response, which I'm choosing these days in the month of March, is not to react to anything that takes up so much of my energy.